Honorable Ropafadzo Makumire, Cherezi Central Constituency Member of Parliament, has criticized the Constitutional Amendment Bill that seeks to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term in office, calling it a blatant overreach by politicians. Zarabina mashoko kubuda panguva inochonekwa kunzi an opposition member panguva ino ouya achidismissa kuti aiwa zvoda kuitwa nethe regime ngazvimiswe. Zarabina mashoko mudanyoka panguva ino muzimu achinzi opposition MP Bedley denounces Mnangagwa's proposed term extension bill. Subscribe or like but on the bell icon. In a statement on Wednesday, Makumire said, parliamentarians are employees. The people are the employer. The contract is 5 years. Now, tell me, in what universe does an employee wake up and say, I've renewed my own contract? You vote later. That's not governance. That's workplace hijacking. No employer can consent. No renewal. He continued, term limit extension without the people is just politicians refusing to clock out, then calling it stability. If a security guard did this, would call the police. When politicians do it, they will call it constitutional reform. Makumire concluded his statement with a call to action. Vote no. Ndo mashukano budanyo kwa panguwa ino na Honorable Makumire ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kumisa zviri kudaitwa aiwa nezvigananda izvi. Madevelopments anoonekwa kunzi aiwa his post yafarirwa neveruzhinji vanyatso kuona kuti aiwa kutone vanhu vari kutoziva chokwadi zviri kuonekwa kunzi nyangwe maparliamentarians ari kuzvirambawo vachicriticize this move. Tiudze mafungiro enyu not kudii pamusoro pe-these developments now yema-constitutional amendments. Pana comment section medu tiudze mafungiro enyu not kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musangana subscribe or like, on the bell icon.